everyone, welcome to PropertyAskEkow, and I'm Echo Quagrin. Wow, today I will share with you unbelievably simple secret that will get you $1 million or more in unsecured loans whenever you want it. Before I learned how to do it myself, I made some wrong assumptions about how unsecured loans were made. I thought family, friends, or family ties or social considerations get you the difference between me as an outsider and the favorite few who got the loans. I was wrong. The banks are literally interested in giving loans to almost anyone. The only reason why a bank will refuse you a loan is when they are worried about not getting their loan paid back. So the only thing you have to do is to demonstrate to your banker that your deal has low risk or zero risk in your deal, and you will get the loan. If your ability to repay is in doubt, you will be refused the loan. So the 4 simple secrets that I have discovered are: secret number 1, establish a good relationship with one bank. You do so by walking into the bank of your choice and open a business account. Make sure that your account is not overdrawn and is always liquid. Also, discuss your business proposition with a smart banker. Make the banker understand your value prop and also make the banker believe in your dream. If you were able to achieve that, as a former banker, I can guarantee you that you are at least 60% close to your goals. The second secret is to establish a good credit rating with excellent financial history and cash flow forecast. You do so by taking a small business loan with your bank, and you make sure that that loan is swept clean at least once a month. The third secret is take business loans and avoid consumer credit. The banks love to give loans to legal entities because legal entities have no age restriction as opposed to an individual. The last and the most important secret is always make sure that you've met all your obligations on time, and also try your best to pay your loans early. The banks are interested in investing in you and your team, but most importantly, they are also interested in the deal. So all you have to do is to demonstrate to the bank that your deal has positive cash flow and you will be guaranteed the loan.